Hello! As I promised, the video is going to be about how to make wet hair dry. It's impossible, first of all. Okay, so right now it's really wet. There is even water dripping. There is water dripping. So, first of all, I normally take a shower, of course. A shower. And then I take a towel. Yes, it's the best idea to turn it upside down. Technically, first you can wipe it, yes, but wiping doesn't really usually help. So then we try to tremble hair a little bit, then harder. And technically people say that it's not a good idea to tremble too hard because it's gonna ruin the structure of hair and blah blah blah. And so, by the way, my new shampoo, it's like they say in the shops, love it, get it. Yeah, I love it. Actually, I didn't really care about it. It's just something with honey, apricot, but then it really feels good on hair. And that's my new conditioner. Oh, yeah. So then, if you want to make this hair dry, it will not be dry because there are several layers and you need really to separate them, because sometimes the upper layer of hair will be dry within maybe 30 minutes, but then there is a bottom. Where is it? Shaitan. Like there's a bunch of hair above, and they cover the bottom hair, which will still be wet. So technically I sometimes separate them into two parts and try to use some hair accessories and to keep them this way. This way, the down hair, bottom part, will dry faster. Then it will take an hour. But if I just walk around, doing nothing specific. If I want to really make it dry, to be a meal. A meal? Yeah, a meal. That's how we make it. And how do you dry your hair? See you next time.